Alright, good day, favorite graphic designers. I greet you wherever you are. I know I have people from all over the world joining this page. Yeah, so probably when I greet good morning, it would be something different for all of us. So I just have to say good day. Welcome to another edition of the graphic design of Sidakotechlab. Today we are going to look at how to draw shapes and color them, right? So before we move on, let's note that the only tool that can be used to draw shapes is what we call the shape tool, which is located in between the path selection tool and that of the hand tool. This is what I'm talking about, where the cursor is. So you just have to right click and then you'll be greeted with all these tools. Now I want to draw a rectangle, a square, and then a circle. So you first select the rectangle tool. When you select, the pointer or the cursor changes to a plus sign. You just have to drag and then you make a drawing on your canvas or on your document. So this is a rectangle, and then after that we move on to drawing a square, right? So you draw a square here, and after that I will draw a circle as well. But this circle I'm going to use, if you want to draw a circle, you use ellipse, but with the ellipse you have to press on the shift key to draw your circle. So here I draw the circle very nicely. There we go. After that I have to arrange the tools. Have to arrange the items for it to be nice, right? I can draw hundreds of shapes on this particular canvas, depending on the size and how you size the shapes to all go specifically on the sheet. So this is a rectangle, this is a square, and this is a circle. You can resize the circle to be big if you want. You can press Ctrl and then plus to zoom your work to see how it is. So yeah, you can resize it a little bit. Yeah, you can resize it to make it a little bigger to suit the size that you want. After that, we are going to look at how to color them. So you just have to use the canvas, the layer. Look at the layers. Whichever layer I select, you realize the shape will be selected. So the first one is ellipse, the second one is rectangle, the third one is rectangle 1, rectangle 2. So I'm going to start with the rectangle 1. Color. If you want to color, you go to FX, color overlay, right? And I'm going to give this a red color. But I have a red color I'm going to select, right? Yeah, so you use this one to position or select the color in which you want. So I need deep red, that is the red. Then I'm going to go to the rectangle 2, go to FX, and then I'll go to color overlay. And this around I'm giving it a yellow color. So you come here, you just select on the color here, color panel here. Then you use the color picker to pick your color, the yellow that you want. So this is my yellow. I come to the ellipse tool, FX, color overlay. Then I'll give it a green color, right? I'll give it a green color. I'm proud of my colors as a Ghanaian, so give it a green color, nice one. Yes, and then probably I'll have to position the items again. So you can draw as many shapes as you want it to be. And then you can use Ctrl plus to zoom your work to see, Ctrl minus to zoom out your work, right? Yes. So that is all for today. Realize I've drawn a very nice shapes, and keep practicing, and then we shall get there. We have more coming up. Just stay tuned, and then you never regret joining this class. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.